To use your EBT card without a PIN, you will need to follow a few steps. First, understand what an EBT card is. An EBT card, or electronic benefits transfer card, is used to distribute government benefits, such as food assistance and cash assistance, to eligible recipients. When you receive your EBT card, you are typically required to set up a PIN for security purposes. However, in some cases, you may be able to use your card without entering your PIN, depending on the type of transaction and the store's policies. To use your EBT card without a PIN, start by locating a store that accepts EBT cards and has the capability to process transactions without a PIN. Many grocery stores and supermarkets have this capability. Inform the cashier that you would like to use your EBT card to make a purchase and let them know that you do not have your PIN or prefer not to use it. The cashier will then need to follow their store's procedures for processing an EBT transaction without a PIN. This may involve calling a phone number to verify your benefits and obtain an approval code, or using an alternative verification method. It is essential to note that not all stores can process EBT transactions without a PIN, and some may have specific requirements or restrictions. It is always best to call ahead and confirm that the store can accommodate your needs before making a special trip. In addition, be aware that using your EBT card without a PIN may not be possible for all types of transactions, such as cash withdrawals or certain online purchases. It is crucial to understand the terms and conditions of your EBT card and the specific rules and regulations in your state. To avoid any issues or delays, it is recommended to keep your EBT card and benefits information up to date, and to report any changes or issues to your local benefits office promptly. By following these steps and being aware of the possibilities and limitations, you can successfully use your EBT card without a PIN when necessary.